I actually didn't get to sleep till about 6:37 this morning. So I'm just coming out here now, checking on everything, checking on everybody. How you doing, Mama? Look at the babies back there. Their eyes all open and stuff. Looking like little rats. Alright, so she has food. She has water. Water looks clean. Good job. They did a good job this morning. Hey, big lady. Stomach is getting bigger. Stomach is getting bigger. You're almost ready, aren't you? Checking in there, making sure there's nothing in there. Be surprised like Honey was first. What's up, Kingman? What's up, boy? Yeah, we need to try to make you guys again today. We tried yesterday, and it was kind of warm, so we probably tried it. Oh, sorry, got y'all way to the wall. My tripod is holding a little different this morning, so we tried yesterday, and that didn't work out that well. My scale is still on. We were able to weigh all the rabbits yesterday, not the babies, and we end up getting this thing here. I know we took you guys to the to Tractor Supply with us yesterday, and you know, for their plastic bins they wanted $50. I think I got this thing for $20. Works really good. So that's 100 pounds. 100 pounds or 80 pounds? Yeah, it's 100 pounds. 100 pounds of feed, and this is what we feed our rabbits here. This is what we feed our rabbits here. Okay. Yep. Have to order it. Keeping those bags because I want to use them. UPS is coming. Actually, I think that's Amazon. Keep those bags because I want to use them to keep manure in. Start to harvest manure and keep it. So we're going to give a check on the rabbit hutches, which we got somewhat done. Just got to pick up some roofing material and get that knocked out. I need to get a good measurement on it so I don't overbuy. But yeah, here's the gardens. Potatoes are doing their thing. And carrots, I don't know what's going on with them. Kale's growing good. What we got down here? Basil, some onions out here. Checking on the hydroponic system. So I only planted four of the rabbits. So we planted the rabbits parsley. We planted the rabbits dill. And that looks like it's grown since yesterday. And we planted the rabbits sage. As you see, again, these are growing like really well from what we cut versus what we harvested. Same at the top. The middles are growing very well. So I think if we chop every 2 weeks, we'll have some good feed there. Some of this stuff is growing very well. Some of it's just like I'm not gonna grow. I'm not gonna grow. So we'll get in here and trim out some of the deads and hopefully remove the dead roots so this won't take up nutrients, even though I don't think it's growing any to take up nutrients. But we got some new growth here since yesterday. A lot of new growth actually since yesterday. So we're gonna get some of these. I gotta wait for the kiddos to get home to ask them what they want to do. If they just want to start over and replant it and we just do it better this next time, since we were just learning it. That is UPS. Since we were just learning it, I'm gonna go ahead and put some more water in this, even though I put some yesterday. Make sure. So I got me. Still should have a couple buckets of water around here. I'll get some more water in this. I'm actually on a tripod today, so we'll go ahead and set you guys down while I put some water in. Make sure it's topped off very well. I gotta leave for work in a second, so I'm just gonna go quick. Put water in. because I put so much. I think it's time to check the nutrition on it as well. So I can see some nutrition still in there, but I want to check the pH levels. Check the pH levels and stuff like that. Yeah, because they are growing like crazy. So check the pH levels. We got this turf done, and I'm looking at this system here because me and my wife were just talking about it. I think that's the electric. But we have, it might be water. No, that's electric. So I have to figure out how so I think there's a water, so there's water over here, right there. So I think it comes through there, and then through that we get water. They ran water to the grass that was here before, because they used to have a sprinkler system. So I want to tap that off. So we're either going to run a water hose to back here for the area for the water system that she has, or I'm going to end up using that line and tapping off of that and making her own irrigation system. Because we need to get water back here as well. And I know the jacuzzi has a water line. We're not using that jacuzzi for anything, so we could probably even take off the water line from that and run it back here. But again, our goal is to kind of be self-sufficient, but it's probably easier right now for us to just use the water line. So here's our hutch. It actually looking pretty good. I gotta come back in here and screw this board back on because we have to move it to make it work right here because this was a little too tight. But yeah, it's looking actually pretty good when I'm walking out here. And survived some heavy winds yesterday. So yeah, to be reclaimed wood pallets, it's actually looking pretty good. We got a good, I gotta watch my head. I hit my head so many times yesterday. We got about a good 18 to 24 inches back here. Probably more closer to 18 in the back. And then what we're gonna do is, that board is kind of bracing, keeping it level on that side. So we're gonna move this pallet over, and then we're gonna put our 55-gallon watering tote on that. And that is pretty much it for today's update, you guys. I need to go in here. I got to go hang a TV. I think we're gonna take you along for that, just so you guys can see my work, my G2GTechs side instead of the farm and rabbitry side. Hey, are you getting hay? So her water's a little murky, so we'll get that cleaned out. But yeah, I screwed her board down so she has something to chew on. I'm learning that. But just like, look at the baby. The baby is trying to get food out of the J feeder. The baby has got out trying to get food out of the J feeder. So yeah, today they were born on the 15th, no, 16th. Today is the 3rd. So they're about 17, 18 days old. Hey honey, you're done drinking? You come to say hi to daddy? How you doing? So yeah, they are, there are a couple of them that come out. Uh-oh, don't want mama to step on you. So yeah, they're a few days before they're supposed to get the nesting box turned around, but I don't want them to get hurt. But the thing is, they've been getting back in there somehow. I know she puts her head right there so they can get in, and then that's just them playing, or her sniffing and making sure. That's her sniffing and making sure. Yeah, they're waking up. They're starting to move around in there. All right, so let me get dressed and take you along for the ride. we'll film as much as we can as far as us hanging this TV. It's me and young Ryan gonna go. He's actually getting the tools and stuff ready. You know, he got his G2G shirt on. My car. Huh? Okay. We're leaving in a few minutes. He's gonna go start his car. Let's go with him. Start his car. When was the last time you started? It's probably dead, huh? A few days ago. Well, it should start. Let's see. He leaves it for weeks at a time without starting it. We should take your car to the job if we didn't have to take all the tools. So this is his car here. This is his car here.
Keep the door open.
Almost didn't start. Almost didn't start. 2 days ago. Probably didn't started it for 3 or 4 days. So, all right. So let's get in and get like I said, get me dressed so we can take off. See y'all at the customer's house.
I was gonna try to put this up myself.
You could have did it.
No, our pants next up.
Give me a marker.
Nurses wouldn't let me.
You said how high you want it? Take measurement.
Hold the center about right here.
The center of the TV. Hey, Jose. Jose?
Jose? No problem. Question for you. So there was no studs right there, so we're going to definitely go through that cement.
Okay.
But before we do, because it is going to be a permanent, I wanted you to let me know if the top of the TV is going to be right where they see it. Do you need it lower than that?
Yeah, just a little bit.
Come down some. Okay. Yeah. So come down some. Down. All right. Oh, you have to do something. So 16 inches from the top. Right there?
Yeah, that'll work.
Okay.
Just got back home. Y'all seen us install that TV for the customer. He was very happy. Gave us even a tip. So, but I came back and not only one of them out, but 4 of them are out, and 3 of them are asleep. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the nest box early so that they can at least get back in there. And yeah, all right. Still no babies for Coco. And yeah, just turning the nest box. That's all.